This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Alright, so I got a 30-gallon oil-fired heater with a storage tank. It's actually an aqua bank. That's an aqua bank. You see the brass? There's no coil in that. So in other words, we got probably 80 gallons of stored water here for the lady. So what we're gonna do is so back a couple of years ago, so we'll probably change the filter. I don't think I changed the filter, was okay a couple of years ago. Just for shits and giggles, we're gonna run it and see what we're getting for oil flow. You know, if the filter's got a good flow on it, I'll leave it. Got an OSV valve there. It's always good to shut it off like that. I've hit these before and broke off the nipple, so we don't want to do that. You always want to hold back. Filter really don't look too bad, but we'll change it. It's been a few years. It's been 4 years since I've changed the filter. Look at it. I mean, it looks like new. So that's why I usually check the oil flow. Once I open them up, I'll change them. Guys say, oh, you should change the filter every year. It's been 4 years and it's still fine like new, so there you go. Goes to show you that, you know, these guys leaving comments don't know shit. To change the filter in the pump every year. This guy's a hack. Fucking morons. We're getting a good flow there, see it? That's what we want. The guy's a hack. He didn't change the pump filter, the guy's a hack. I mean, you can't make this shit up. These fucking psycho chickens. They don't know shit. They don't know shit. Bleed it right from here. Turn it on, bleed all the air out. So once the oil comes out, we'll shut it off right here. Yeah, just bleed it, and we'll be good to go. We'll check the flow at the pump, but it should be fine. But seeing I haven't changed this filter since 13, so that's what? 13, we're 19, that's 6 years. That seems like a bit of a stretch. But you know, it's just for hot water, it's not for heat, so probably don't run as much. Strictly just for hot water. Because they got forced hot air here. With heat pumps. So, way better for heat. The guy's a flippin' hack. The guy's a hack. We're letting the air out, letting the air out from here. This has got an in and an out. It should be done the proper way also. Alright, here we come. Here comes the oil. So we know we can shut it off. I usually come back after I'm done, make sure that it's not dripping. Make sure it's okay. It's good practice. Before you leave, come back and double check it, make sure it's alright. Alright, so I got it off there. Gonna definitely change the nozzle. We'll check the oil flow here. If we got a good oil flow, that filter in there is fine. Definitely want to change this nozzle in here. It's a Carlin. It's a Carlin Easy 1, I believe. There's a screw in here. Take this plate out. Some guys like Carlins. I kind of like Beckett's. I ain't got no problem with the Carlin, but I'd much rather have a Beckett. If I was going to have one in my house, it'd be a Beckett. I just work with more of them. I got the power off, obviously. It's always good to check, make sure the power's off. It's been a few years since this nozzle's been changed, so I was kind of concerned about it. It don't look too bad. So I'll just take it right in my bucket. I used to have a brush in there. I don't know what the hell happened on the brush. Where's the flipping axe, Mama? Look at the filter. I mean, it don't look bad. It looks new. Oh my God, the guy didn't change the pump filter. He's a hack. I think it's like 1 gallon. This was calls for a 11070 in this thing. That's a big unit. I don't know what I got in there. It's a 1 gallon 70. With these kind of burners, you want to keep the nozzle pretty close to original. Trays in here with different nozzles, but I got a 1 gallon 70. We'll put that in there. I'll be fine. I got the 80s. I got 60s in here. If I need nozzles, sometimes I got extras, you know, that I carry. The popular ones I carry with me, just in case. Hello, Miss Molly. You got a nice cool breeze here, right on the water. You got a nice cool breeze here on the water. Alright, let me just finish this and I'll be right back. You miss me? Oh, I know you miss me. You love Daddy. You love Daddy. Yeah, I know you love Daddy. It's always good to keep the nozzles replaced. It's been a few years since this nozzle's been changed. I was a little concerned about it, so I called her and really need to check on that burner. We have all kinds of problems. We don't want any issues. We don't want any issues with this because it gets full of soot. I mean, it's hard to clean it out because it's got a spiral. It's got a spiral on the inside. If that thing gets full of soot, you're kind of screwed. That spiral on the vertical gets full of soot. I mean, you can't pull it out because it's a low ceiling here. It would really be a problem. This lady's a real good customer of mine, so whatever she needs, it, you know, I would take care of it for her. She's a good customer. I'm not a big fan of this transformer, but it's still working. We'll leave it. I wouldn't replace it with another one. I would change to the old style. We'll check the oil flow coming out of the pump. Tell by the pump how much is coming out the hose if this filter's dirty. Guy's a hack. He never changed the pump filter. He's a hack. Flipping people just are clueless. Some people are just clueless. You know, when I do these videos, try to help people, but some people are just so stupid. They're stuck on stupid, mama. See if I could turn this baby on and turn the power on, and if we get it to fire up, and we'll check the oil flow there. Check that pump. We'll turn it up right here so it runs, and we'll turn it back down to 140 later. FF, so don't shut off on me, just to test it. That pump screen is fine. Now if I had a dirty pump filter, I'd get no flow out of that. I'm real wimpy. So don't listen to these morons that tell you, oh, you need to change the pump filter every year. Yeah, right. Back to 140. It's a block water heater. You can see the high water mark if the pumps go out, so that burner would go underwater if the power went out. They had a flood here. Alright, so new filter at tank, new nozzle, clean burner head. I mean, it's an older unit. I don't know how old it is, but it's probably due for a replacement soon once it starts leaking. I just want to double check I got no leaks here. That all looks fine. It's just residual. Yeah, we're fine. OSV valve. With that OSV valve, there would be it would be less flow through the pump also. That's a restriction. Let me just pick up my stuff and we'll get out of here. I can stand up in here, but it's probably like maybe it's probably a 6-foot crawl space. It's got, you know, concrete floor, so it's not bad. That's a nice setup there with the extra aqua bank. We got plenty of stored water.